What's up, my peeps? Good day to you. So, Molly and I are on our way to do our first theme park show. So, on this episode, it's going to be, drum roll please, it's going to be Disney. And I think we were kind of torn, like, do we want to do classic Disney, go to Magic Kingdom and, do very, young kid orientated, or do we want it to be a little bit more adult / family orientated? And I think I'm going to make an executive decision because I do professional photography and I didn't get to go to Africa for a safari this year. I think I'm going to say we're going to go to Animal Kingdom. And the reason why is we're getting a late start today, and the park closes early, that park closes early. We'll be able to get home at a reasonable time, and we've been to the parks before, so we don't need to spend hours and hours and hours there. Let's just go there, get some snacks, maybe go on a ride or two, see some animals, and call it a day. So that's what we're going to do today. Today, the first of many theme park shows.
Hey, it's Molly. We are heading to Disney's Animal Kingdom, and we're just doing kind of a short day, which is nice. We've moved to just a couple hours above the Orlando area, and that's kind of one of the reasons why we'd be within a couple hours of all the theme parks. So we will be doing just a few things there, maybe some snacks, get a fun item for the day. I've been looking for a mug. I might get some ears. I'm not sure. I guess we'll have to wait till we get there. And that is it. We are just pulling up, so we're gonna get ready to go inside, so come along.
All right, so we're heading into the park. We chose Animal Kingdom because I'm going to do some photography, and this gives us a chance to enjoy the park, kind of more chill, not trying to rush to get on a whole bunch of rides. Plus, I think that they probably have some good snack foods and animals, of course.
Like an idiot, I had a pocket knife on me the first time through. So they search me.
Tree of Life. Right there. Straight ahead. Right there, straight ahead. Yeah. Where are we heading? Are we going to Africa?
Yeah.
Somewhere, I think it's right here. Like straight ahead to the right. Florida waterfalls. Not man-made at all. They were naturally here. We're about 30 minutes in. Having fun. It's a little hot. A little hot. It's August. Seeing some animals, but a lot of them are hiding away, so. It's like we found a little secret spot that's all empty.
You guys had this one before?
No.
This is a park exclusive one.
Oh, is that nice?
Yeah, they're making a game to it for the park.
Oh, sweet.
The golden hour.
Be perfect with like a lemon wedge or orange wedge.
There she goes. Want to get in the frame with me?
Not today though. It's some ducks.
Greg's got a little lens with him. Just a little guy. There's one up in the tree.
I want to eat some.
Yeah. So you know what? See, this is like a sandwich in a glass. I get filled up for a minute. Yeti Sunday coming up. Do you need a spoon or anything, or those are like, oh, maybe like right there. There you go. He's got his ice cream right over here. I can't have that. That has dairy in it. I will find another snack for the dairy-free me.
Dino Raw.
What are we doing? Abdom stork. There's another guy over there. Looking for that tortoise. Don't feed animals.
See what they got in night here.
We're gonna go find a place to sit and eat. We're gonna share a meal. We got the combo. We've got pulled pork, chicken, ribs, beans, coleslaw. There's a little bird over there. Oh, ibis. Oh my god. You're heading out. It was a good day. It was hot.
Very hot. All right, so we didn't do a whole lot at the park today, but we did get to come, and that's the most important thing. There we go. So we kind of walk around and do a lot of fun stuff like that, but we didn't do any rides really this time or too much. Took some pictures and just enjoyed the day. Had some dinner and a beer, and that's awesome.
Kind of like being a pass holder because we can do just a little bit of stuff, not much. Greg did some photography and we wandered around, had some food, popcorn. It was a good day.
If you or your party haven't crossed that yellow safety line, please remain behind. And the next train will be here momentarily. Throughout our journey, so not being first, so please remain seated. Keep close to your children.
Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos.
All right, so went to Disney World, Animal Kingdom, and got some photos. I don't know if I got as many as I usually get when I come, but it was still a nice day. Super hot out, so difficult to just be patient and shoot for the sake of, getting like that award-winning picture. But, I took the camera out, I shot some things that I really liked. There's these little yellow birds, and I really like the way my 70 to 200 millimeter lens rendered the background images, and the Boca. And yeah, so we accomplished that. I got various animals, you know. I'll throw up pictures that we got along the way. I also took some pictures of just my wife, and also some of the surroundings, you know, just you know, the prop buildings and everything are really nice. You know, the theme parks nowadays really up the ante and make you feel like you're in whatever land that you're actually in. So yeah, really enjoyed it. It was good to get out and just be where the people are at, you know. And you know, next time we'll probably focus on not photography, and I'll probably focus on you know, the entertainment factor. But we had a good time.